Shalom, Ambazonia. People of the United Nations Trust Territory of the British Southern Cameroons, good morning. Good citizens of Ambazonia. Today na Thursday number 10 day for the month for October 2019. My name na Capo Daniel. This one na my daily podcast for una. No be because say nkende when it mix with corn flour, it go feel say yeah and corn flour then be the same. News dan comot come say yesterday, Padi Asanga, one of the anti-Ambazonian activists them wey comot for Southern Cameroons. He be famous for make propaganda video them against Ambazonia revolution, including calling Ambazonia troops and made them drop their weapons. Now one of those people wey dem comot for diaspora can attend that so-called national dialogue for Yaoundé. Following a visit from Kondengi prison, it is struggle for take picture. Some Ambazonia prisoners of war, then holy the one beat am hand. Na prison warder them can save it for their hand. Then carry and push them for outside Nkondengi. As they come off from Nkondengi, Ekelebe them, gendarmerie them, they be there for outside already the waiting. Na he then grab Padi Asanga, drag am with trouser for last, put am for inside motor, take am go down for that prison where they call and say set for Yaoundé. Padi Asanga be been one of the pompous participants for the so-called national dialogue. This na example for show all those Anglophone them where them feel say na for be politically correct and for try for support the colonial regime for Yaoundé, irrespective of their atrocity them for our villages them. Feel say somehow by supporting Paul Biya and the regime and for talk bad against the Ambazonia revolution, Francophones them or the regime could love them. The arrest for Padi Asanga no be by common police, but by gendarme the way they send them right from set. Me can kashi. It is show saying Kende na Kende, no matter what way do am, La République du Cameroon and the government, they need to discriminate between Anglophones. They consider all we as cockroaches, rats, second-class citizens and slaves and where they not get no respect. Make those Anglophones them or so-called elites them, me then see what happen for Padi Asanga and Abdul Karim, me then shine their eye. They understand say when it comes for nationalism, all Anglophones them need to stand with the people for Ambazonia. As La République them, they stand together with their own government. There is nothing like a middle ground during a war. They kill our people. They burn our villages, rape our women, humiliate us all as a people. There is no discrimination between us in the eyes of Mr. Paul Biya and the regime. Mr. Padi Asanga was released later in the evening. His arrest, nevertheless, is a wake-up call for all Ambazonians serving in La République du Cameroon and all the enablers who are trying to sweet-mouth the colonial regime to understand that they are all Ambazonians. Back to Amba, video the commot camp for Gozang. Following a week, we would then receive video where all the boy them for Gozang they ran gather under boss Dimaya for talk say they ran decide for fight together with the ADF against La République du Cameroon. They acknowledge say the ADF general, late General Mba Ivor, was their father and they have to fight together with the ADF for a common victory for Ambazonia. Following that their video, the Batibo cartel it then sent troops them for inside Gozang for threatening the local population so they go kill people if they know where they work with ADF and they go fight and kill any ADF fighter where they for inside Gozang. The one now which can balok me gonna hear.
I don't talk from today. If ADF enter the Gozang again for any bar, when I see I no call we the person where they enter a bar, I will face the person. I may be bring. I know you fear no man, you fear no face.
The group, the TTA, it threatened ADF for Gozang. It be very disturbing. The ADF previously be done come for inside Gozang. They meet those fighters and where they be there for they have a conversation with them like brothers and they go ahead for carry their mission against La République du Cameroon. Would the one against such attacks and such propaganda against one of the biggest forces on the ground who are focused on their mission to fight against La République du Cameroon. Such provocation and threatening messages are a recipe for disaster because troops them get the right to defend themselves. And when threats be sent like this, It be important may we all condemn them. We call on those soldiers them for decease and make peace with their brothers who get a common enemy when a la République du Cameroon. Yesterday, in my platform, the No Konitok Zone, I make an appeal and talk about the need for we Ambazonians for forgive each other and unite ourselves as one, and for extend an olive branch for Eric Tato, where he then be accused, rightfully so, for the Garin process that have resulted to the cutting of hands of many of our civilians, and also to Samuel Sako, who had embezzled money for my trip to Boya. I had insist the need for us to forgive them and send them a signal that they will not be prosecuted or arrested if Ambazonia have its independence. The reason be because we understand such enmity they be exploited by our enemy for push this leader them to come for La République du Cameroon their side, because now the only way they go fit see Ambazonia tomorrow. Because right now they no fit go for Ambazonia under La République, and if Ambazonia get independence, them too go the fear for come, so they go be arrested for the crimes and way they done perpetrate them during this period of war. Unfortunately, just a day after that, Mr. Eric Tato is promoting a video of Ambazonian forces arresting parents and their children who have been arrested by Ambazonian forces loyal to him. In a Facebook page, Eric Tato claims that the process have begun. He calls it a process of soft target, where parents and civilians will be targeted for disobeying the so-called revolutionary laws. He has advocated for Gari process, which is the dismemberment of the hands of Ambazonian civilians for disobeying revolutionary law. Now listen for the video.
Of October 2019, as some of the students in this way, they don't decide say they will violate the laws and for Ambazonian Defense Force for Ground Zero. As soon as I see I'm so not a part that now they encourage them, me they go school, they make sure they get anywhere where they want time for school. To get and that where they go school, they go now boy, they can't have finish their school fees for the pa. And then they be captured by the restoration forces.
We strongly condemn the arrests, the targeting, the dismemberment, or the Gari process, whatever name or shape it taken, against our civilians. It is wrong, it is immoral, it is a war crime, a crime against humanity, to instigate or to actually arrest civilians for going to school, irrespective whether the school be authorized or not. We are there to fight for our people, not to fight against our people. We are there to protect the will of our people, not to impose our will on them. Patasang, the moral compass of this revolution, we launched the school boycott. It was a voluntary action. Schools, the way they violate these laws them for the revolution, they were being burnt down both by La République du Cameroon and sometimes Ambazonian citizens that don't drive out students of a school. Never have we ever encouraged anybody to target a parent or a student to harm them physically because they go for school. The actors that don't pick on this message from Mr. Eric Tato. Now listen.
For add small talk for that Eric Tato talk. Principal, any man where they work for La République, because he over insists on principals them. He over insists on principal them. Teacher where they work for La République, for call picking them for go school. Teachers, from teachers to the principal to headmaster to primary school, then they work under La République. Even the chiefs them when La République and the French people with them picking go, because now the real war time don't start. We know some short time we don't fight now. So when they hear anything, me they not doubt, they know say na war in between Ambazonians and La République. Me they not talk say Amazonia don't kidnap some man, La République don't kidnap some man. You don't go to that. Nyama. No.
All these actions are disincentive for the international community for support Ambazonia. Eric Tato, placing himself as a speaker of the revolution and promoting this barbaric action, are providing intelligent report for La République du Cameroon to show the international community that we are fighting against our people and we are not responsible to protect those people. It also divide our people them and turn our people them against the revolution. We know if we begin to kill the same people them, we would once say we would fight them for protect them. We know if we attack Mami and Pekin them, because they want send pikin for school. That one no correct. It turn our population against our people them, and it could give a security challenge. Me all the soldiers they know. If we take this type of advice, we arrest papa say he send pikin for school, we they create a security challenge, because now that same papa a grievances go make him go take a kelebe them show place we avoid the hide. Our leader them get the responsibility for dissociate such messages and such propagation from Eric Tato from the Ambazonian revolution. La République du Cameroon one may will be diverse. We will not get any one leader where if he stand talk on behalf of we. Now whether they promote diversity for diversify our leadership, and all their agent them they do the same thing for deny some will not struggle for get one leadership where if he bring one person he go talk on our behalf. Now, why that way, like Republic du Cameroon, they don't invite a single leader. Me can talk on our behalf. Me bring your own team. But then send invitation for all man, for empower we against ourselves. Because when leader them plenty, many captain them, the ship no go get direction. So one day they run go for left, so one day they run they go for right. Ambazonia they need for shine their eye. Even the CIA, the French government, their classified report for the embassy, be done talk. So we need a single leadership. We go mobilize for effective prosecution of our revolution. There are plenty of tactics to use to effectuate the stopping of La République du Cameroon licensed school them for our territory. Attacking and targeting parents and children is not one of them. It is a crime against humanity. It is a crime against Ambazonia, and it is counterproductive to our revolution. A close associate of Eric Tato, Mr. Ashu Kingsley, reveals say he don't contact Mr. Eric Tato for complain about the propagation of such practices, and Mr. Eric Tato talk for he say that Facebook no be Facebook, but a closer look shows say Mr. Eric Tato, if registered number where other activists they use them for contactee be behind the WhatsApp messages and where they promote this same video. The only reason where Mr. Eric Tato go to hide his identity for behind the fake reason for promote the same practices now because they know say na a bad thing for our revolution, and in a thing way to work now for La République du Cameroon in favor. And Mr. Ashu Kingsley, by also denying and talk say Eric Tato no inside this Facebook page he come out, they also testify for the fact say these practices na a thing where they work now for La République in favor, no be for Ambazonia he work that. I will provide from my Facebook page the chat group screenshot them where demonstrate these links. We cannot win a war without the support of our population, and any attack for our population and our civilians them an attack for our revolution and their aspiration. We call on all soldiers them for dissociate themselves from such practices and consider any of such practices as an attack to the revolution. We don't see people the way they try to compromise this revolution. They try to impose excessive lockdowns, excessive policy the way now for target our own people, promote kidnapping and all those type of things, promote division and all those type of things when it be meant for dampen the enthusiasm of our revolution, cause chaos enough for our people, then for talk say the rank of our suffer made and stop and go back for La République du Cameroon. Any genuine Ambazonian fighter, activist or leadership need to put the Ambazonia people, their interests, and take into greater consideration the pain of a wartime when they formulate policies them and strategy them for win this war. Like the ambassador of the interim government and a close aide to the AGOVC, I can tell the Ambazonian people to consider that Eric Tato do not represent the Ambazonian revolution as it is. Neither does he represent any organization or movement that represents the Ambazonian revolution. Such anti-revolutionary instruction should not be implemented, including the excessive lockdown announced by Mr. Chris Anu. We now understand say Chris Anu need to talk on behalf of the interim government, even if BBC, even if CNN, even if they carry the whole French journalists them, me then give him microphone, he need to talk on behalf of the revolution of Ambazonia. We need to follow principle, we need to follow legality, we need to follow the leadership them with them be, for make sure say the integrity will be intact. That is for the interest of the effective prosecution within the shortest period of time of our revolution. May we shine eye, may we be vigilant. We'll stand together as one man. We'll observe the Independent Day goes down, because the only way we our population we show the war, say we want independence. But we'll stand strong, we'll hold grass, we'll resist. will defend ourselves and fight against state-sponsored terrorism from La République du Cameroon. May our independence battle be short. May our independence, democracy, civil liberty be in Ambazonia forever. God bless you. Capo Daniel, signing out.
Yeah, get away from my homeland. You get away from my property. No be your own, no be your homeland. Yeah, get away from Bamina. You get away from Booyah. No be